of successful people. All right. But before that, I have games. So we do have games here. You are going to guess who's in the picture. All right. So first, here's all right. So let's start. I will be sharing my screen, and here's the picture. Who's in the picture? You are going to guess it. So the first picture. All right. So do you know this man? Okay.
Isn't that Elon Musk?
Yeah, that's Elon Musk. Very good. Right. It's Elon Musk. So next picture. All right. Who's this man?
Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook. Yes, his name is Mark Zuckerberg. Yeah. Next picture is this man. Do you know this man? Yeah.
Pacquiao.
Yeah.
Pacquiao.
His
Pacquiao.
name is Manny Pacquiao. Next picture. All right. Right. Who's this man?
Tyson.
Mayweather? Apa sih?
All right.
After
So,
Tyson.
basketball player Michael Jordan.
Ah,
All right. Next picture. Who's this man? I know all of you know
Ang
this man.
guitar.
Yes. Our CEO, Park Hangel. All right. And what are the common denominator of this uh, man or people that I have shown you earlier? So they are all successful people. They are successful in on their own field, like Michael Jordan in basketball, Manny Pacquiao in boxing, Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg as an entrepreneur, and CEO Park Hangel, he's successful here in Atomy business. And here's my question. Do you want success or do you want to become successful? Yeah. Do you want to become successful? It's okay. So if you want to become successful, please raise your hands or just use thumbs up. All right. Okay. So here are the core habits of successful person. So we are going to know, I think I prepare 7. So I know there's a lot of core habits of successful person, successful people. I know some of you already read a lot of books or um you already research it on the Facebook or on the other websites, Google or the other through books or in the schools, your teacher taught you regarding how to become successful, your professor and your mentors here in Atomy. But right now I will give you some of the core habits of successful people or person. All right. So what is the meaning of core? So core meaning the innermost, central, or uh, most essential. All right, essential habits. I know all of you has habits. Okay. Okay, so there's a lot of habits, but these habits will help us to become successful person. All right. And the first one is create a routine. All right. So I know all of us have their own routine, like skincare routine, and that routine will help us to have a beautiful skin, to have a beautiful face by using skincare routine, right? And the first one is creating a routine. So creating a routine minimize decision fatigue and turns goals into automatic habits. It provides the mental structure um needed to stay organized and productive, freeing up your energy for deep high value work. All right. So routines are the cornerstone of success. So what is cornerstone? It's the foundation of success. So the more you can fall into your routine, the less thinking you have to do about the things that don't matter, and the more time you have to focus on what you need to do or accomplish. All right. So you must have your own routine, especially here in Atomy. So I know some of you, especially all the leaders here, have their own routine, how to become successful in our atomy, how to invite people. So we must have our own routine, and they are essential. Those routines are essential because they conserve mental energy, reduce stress, and promote physical and mental health. All right. So based on the insights from this is from Andrew James Walls articles on Medium. So, building a structured routine is one of the most critical, okay, foundation habits for achieving long-term success. All right. So, as an Atomy leader, we must have our own routine here in Atomy. So, here's a question. So, how to create a routine? Okay, if you don't have a routine yet, so how to create a routine. First is look at your to-do list. You must create your to-do list and identify the most grueling or high priority task, or meaning to say the most challenging task for today. For example, you have your to-do list for today, and you must check the most challenging task for today, and that will be your frog. Okay, so I'm if you're familiar with the term eating frog or eating the frog, so not the literal frog, not the literal frog, but that means you are going to determine the most challenging task of the day. So schedule this task for first thing in the morning, when your mind is fresh and sharp. So that's why it became eating the frog, or determine your frog in the morning, because I think, I not think, because in the morning your mind, uh, your thinking is fresh, or your mind uh is sharp. And also, once you eat the frog, or once you finish the task, the rest of the day will feel incredibly easy. All right. And it makes every task more, or seems easier by comparison. And it immediately gives you um, a dopamine rush of accomplishing something worthwhile, and it prevents you from procrastinating on important things for too long. Okay, you will not dwell on that uh, important things for too long. All right, and here's the second one: prioritize self-care. I know some of you uh, you prioritize your self-care. So here in Atomy, we do have a lot of uh things that we can use for our self-care, especially our health, our um we have also our skincare, right? So taking care of our physical and mental health is crucial. Adequate sleep, health, healthy eating, regular exercise, and relaxation help maintain energy and focus, making you more effective in your studies. Not only studies, I'm sorry, I forgot to change it. Uh, in your work, in your daily task. All right. So rest, work out, and meditate. So combining rest, workouts, and meditation creates ultimate foundation for success by sharpening focus, boosting your physical endurance, and preventing burnout. All right. Together, these habits build the mental resilience and energy required to tackle your personal and professional goals. All right. So burnout is one of the top threats of success. So don't be harsh on yourself. Once you feel tired, you need to rest. All right. If you're tired, just rest, but don't quit. All right. Um, just rest. Don't quit. All right. Um. So fitness and mental calm are crucial for a happy lifestyle. So they're the building blocks of productivity, not just for days, weeks, or months, but years and decades. So don't physical activity pumps up your for example, you can go to gym, you can do exercise at your house. So physical activity um will help us to cut down the negative effects of stress and gives you the energy you need to handle long demanding days. All right. And rest is important uh for the mind rest is important for the mind as it for the body. So overtraining or overwork or constant working impairs sleep quality and leads to this decreased returns on productivity. So sometimes that's why uh, we feel we wanna give up or we wanna quit sometimes on the task or on the things because um because we feel burnout, we feel fatigue. But the best thing to do, don't forget to rest. Rest your mind, rest yourself, your body, having enough sleep, eating. All right, like this one. Yeah. I do have here quotation. Rest is not a reward. It's what makes great work possible. All right, according to James Herrick. Yeah. Meditation, exercise, right? Eating nutritious or healthy foods, and having an adequate or enough sleep. I think enough sleep is 8 to 10 hours or 7 to 8 hours is enough, right? Next is set big, clear goals. All right. So, especially here in anatomy, we do have the 8 steps to success. We have clear goal setting. All right. So, setting big, clear goals help you become successful by providing a concrete destination which instantly focus your daily efforts, ignites your motivation, and helps you prioritize effectively. They act as a roadmap, filtering out distractions. So every step you take builds momentum toward your ultimate vision. So we must have a clear goal why we are doing this business, why we are doing the atomy. All right. So I have a questions for all of you. So you don't need to answer. What is your ultimate goal here in Atomy? And I know all of you, your ultimate goal here in Atomy is to become successful and to become imperial, right? So, um, if you have a clear goal, um, you will know um what uh, or you will know what is your destination. All right. And without a clear goal, your efforts can easily become scattered. Setting a specific target or goal will give your brain a defined problem to solve, and directing your time and resources towards activities that truly matter and away from distractions. So despite of any distractions, any challenge, but as long as that you have a clear goal or big goal, you will do it, especially if you have commitment on what you want to do, right? So yeah, like what asked earlier, what is your goal in Atomy business? And my goal right now is to become sales master. So actually my challenge day is July 16 up to July 30, right? Ah, 31, yeah. July 16 to 31, that's my challenge time. And my goal for today is to be at to that days is to become sales master. All right. So, okay. So, setting goal is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Okay. That's according to Tony Robbins. All right. Dream big, set goals, and take actions. All right. You don't just dream. You not just by setting goals, but you need to take action on that one. And after that, once you take an action, then that's the time that you will become successful. All right. A compelling and challenging goal ignites passion and gives you a reason to push forward, even on difficult days. So, like what I mentioned earlier, so even we uh, we encounter a lot of challenges, we face a lot of giants along the way, especially here in Atomy business. There's a lot of challenge that we are going to encounter. Actually, when I'm doing this business, I encounter a lot of rejections, a lot of challenge, especially to my friends. Many people don't trust me. Um, they are doubting about Atomy. So I know all of you you will encounter this as well, or you might encounter this as well. And if you are encountering this kind of challenge, don't quit. All right, don't quit. Continue on what you are doing. Uh, just move forward, and then I know someday all of us will become successful. And see you on the top, everyone. All right. So number four, constantly building powerful networks. All right. Like here in Atomy, we are building our networks, or we are building our empires. All right. So how are your empires? How are your teams? Are they doing well? All right. So we need to build a powerful network, because building a powerful network is a proven catalyst for career advancement, access unadvertised opportunities, and business partnership. Prioritize mutually beneficial relationships over transactional interactions by sharing insights, offering support, and engaging consistently. All right. So what is network? Network is a business network is a group of people who have built relationship based on business experience, similar interests, and similar expertise. All right. So, okay. Benefits of building a network. First, connects you with potential clients. Next, provides you with a group of experts in a particular field. Next, offers you opportunities to gain professional mentors and contacts. Next, allows you to gain helpful knowledge and advice. All right. So next, how to or tips to build a network. All right. Next. search for people who can make difference. All right, so that's why while you are doing this business or at to be business, there's a left or right, left and right, and you need to look for a person who can make or um who can do the business as well. So you just not uh you just not you don't need to just put someone on just left or right, but you must look for someone who can do the business with you, all right, who have a heart of a business as well, who can join with you and become successful as well. And next, like um this one, be willing to help you first, all right. And next, add value to your relationships by connecting to your network. Uh, like for example, messaging them, um, calling them, and uh, doing some bonding. Like, for example, if you have time, you can go outside with your team, um, eating with them, or having a cup of coffee, just doing a little um, chatting, or giving them some advice regarding the business. Yeah, go to network events. For example, here in Atomy, we do have a success academy, success seminars. Go with your team and um, learn about the Atomy. All right, stay updated in your industries or field, like what I mentioned. Asking what's going on on your team, what help do they need, or what are the things that they need to improve, or what are the things that they need to become successful on this field, like that. You are giving advice, or um, giving them knowledge, especially for those leaders. We must give knowledge or learnings to our um, teams or people around us, especially to our downlines. Next, focus on meaningful connections. Next, number five, schedule some learning daily. Okay, so highly successful people intentionally dedicated 20% of their work week to learning and experimentation. Creating a consistent daily learning habits requires aligning your schedule with your natural energy peaks, breaking topics into bite-sized milestone, and adhering strictly to your time blocks. All right. So the 20% rule. So here's the 20% rule. Devote 20% of your work week, about 1.5 or 2 hours daily, to deliberate learning, experiment, and upskilling. All right. So if you have time, you need also to read books. So actually, I have here this book. So this is the book that I'm reading as recently. Um, the name of the book is Let's Do This. All right, by Andy Ramage, and this book use how to use motivational psychology to change your habits by changing habits for your life. So here's the book. Let's do this. So as a leader here in Atomy, we need also uh, to deliberate ourselves in learning by reading books about how to become successful, like this one, changing habits, changing your lifestyle. Or if you want, you can also especially nowadays, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, Google, um Facebook Reels that can help us to upskill our um or to develop our ourselves or to grow on this kind of business here in Atomy. So we also need to broaden our mindset, not only on dwelling on the Atomy, but also how to uh, become more successful on the other things, especially to grow as an individual as well. So we can share it on our team, we can share it to the other people, and to grow more deeper here in our Atomy business. All right. And next, um, like what mentioned here, read extensively, commit 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes or 60 minutes of reading books. We can also read news to become updated what's going on our on global or in world, what's happening, or articles. We can read that one. Also, we need to reflect and then learn. Okay, so we can evaluate ourselves. For example, in the morning, sometimes because the only time that I have enough time is Monday, I think, because usually my work starts at 8 a.m. I mean 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. I'm on a night shift, and then every Monday, my routine is I will woke up in the morning and then do some exercise, just a little exercise like walking or doing some little exercise. Then after that, I will read my books, and then after that, um, just reflect on myself, getting a notebook, and then what what is the things that I've learned for this week. We can write it down or jot it down on a notebook, and then we can evaluate what we have learned within this week, right? And then teach what you have learned. I think I have here, yeah. So we can teach what we have learned. So retain up to 90% of new information by explaining it to someone else or applying it directly. So that's why we have our Atomy Zoom global every Thursday. And also in the Philippines, we have Atomy Zoom every Tuesday in Atomy Philippines. So that we can share to everyone who wants to join the Atomy or our team regarding what we have learned um, in this business, not only in this business, but also in life to become better. All right. Next one is here. I know some of you know Mahatma Gandhi. So quotation from him: "Live as if you were die tomorrow, and learn as if you were to live forever." Right. So next, number 6, create instead of complain. So, shifting your mindset from complaining to creating is a powerful catalyst for success. So, instead of draining your mental energy on what is wrong, this approach channels your focus into actionable solutions, personal growth, and continuous innovation. All right. So, most people complain about traffic, but not Elon Musk. So Elon Musk, instead of moaning about the problem, must search for a solution. And this result in the Boring Company. That's a company which seeks to decrease road congestion by creating a tunnel system. So here's the um sorry. So here's the company, the Boring Company. So he created, because some people are complaining about the traffic, traffic around the world, especially here in the Philippines. The traffic, there's a lot of traffic here. Um, but instead of complaining, what did Elon Musk did? Um, he created this company. All right, a tunnel. Okay, next. So there is two person here. So do you create or do you criticize? Right. So which of these people or person are you? So are you the one who create or are you the one who criticize? Okay. So I hope every one of us is the first person. We are the one who create. So next, number 7, I think this is the last one. And also to add up here, we need to add up on learning. So we need to continuously learn because um the world is changing. All right. So especially right now, I think we're on the uh AI stage or AI world right now. So just like muscles, so we need our brain needs to exercise regularly to become sharp. All right. So we need to also to upgrade our mindset, upgrade our skills by learning. All right. By also adapting to the changes that we have, especially um uh as I mentioned, we are on the AI world right now. So we need also to adapt on that kind of scenario that's happening on uh, on our and for example, you need to learn as well. Uh, you need to learn some AI things. For example, on our company, we are adapting the AI. So while we are calling our customers, we have our voice, which are we are using AI voices, so we can adapt easily on our on our customers, especially for those people who who's very indulge on technologies. So that's why we are using AIs on our company as of the moment. So yeah. So number 7, plan for success, but prepare also to fail. Right. So I know I ask every one of us if you want to become successful. Yes, we all want to become successful, but we need also to prepare to fail. Okay, because I know failure is not a reason for us to quit. So like what mentioned here, there's no crystal ball for success. If something is important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure. If you care about something, you should put every effort into following your dreams. At the same time, be ready in case it doesn't work out. It's easier to recover from a failure if you already have a backup plan. All right. So failure shows us what we have done wrong, teaches us lessons and allow us to streamline our ideas. So you know who's the best teacher? The best teacher is your experience, right? So the fact is, if you push yourself, you will most likely face failure along the way. So yeah, so we will, like what I mentioned, we will experience challenges. We will face giants in our life, and we will face failures. And once we face failures, we are going to learn that mistake, and we will not be doing that mistake again. All right. And the important thing here, once you face failure or challenges, the important thing is how you deal with it and how you bounce back. All right. How you fight back. And based on what we learn from our failures, our brains create and maintain new neural pathways, helping us avoid the same mistakes in the future and grow more resilient and eventually find success. So that's all, everyone. Thank you so much for um, listening today. And I hope every one of us will become successful here in our Atomy business. So if you encounter a lot of challenges along the way, or you think you will quit, don't remember yourself. Don't give up. Never give up. Um, Failure is just a part of success. All right. So don't quit. So tell yourself, never quit. All right. Never quit. Just rest, but don't quit. So everyone, uh, fighting, aja, aja, aja. Fight, fight, fight. Here in the Philippines, laban, 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 laban. So thank you, everyone, and have a blessed day and night. Thank you.